Hey guys, so I'm back and this time for a more simple look. So I'll be going in with my sleek makeup primer and I'll just be priming my face on the parts that I know I shine the most. You guys obviously know this by now. And then I'll be going in with a simple regular brow pencil. You guys can get a brow pencil from anywhere. If you like, use a pomade. I use a brow pencil because I think it's more precise and I'm able to control the pencil in whichever direction I need. As you guys can see, I'm filling in my brows. Obviously it's fast forwarded, but I did it slow obviously. So I'm filling in my brows, and this is how I normally fill them on a day-to-day basis. And then next up, I'll be cleaning up my brows and I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 360, and I'll be cleaning my top brows, obviously just cleaning them up, making sure they're more defined and cleaned out. Baby, so come, let's talk. You know easy when you come home. And then for my bottom brows, I'll be going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'll be going in with the shade Fawn, and I'll just be defining under my brows, and I'll be spreading the product evenly across my brows, as you guys can see. So I like to use the excess foundation or concealer that I have on my brush, and then I use the bristles and brush my brows forward to give it more of a natural look. So next up, I'll be going on with my NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator, and I'll be mixing that with my foundation. As you guys saw, the foundation that I had used here was the Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Foundation in the shade 360. Yes, 360. So I'll just be using a powder brush, and then I'll just be spreading the product evenly across my face. As you can see right now, it does show a bit of a yellow, orangey, more yellow undertone on my skin, and the foundation does make my skin look very weird, but don't worry, I'm gonna sort that out. So I'm just spreading the product evenly under my chin. Of course, you don't want to make it look like you're wearing a mask now, ladies, do you? No. So now I'll be going with my beauty blender. It is a bit damp, so now I'm just spreading the product evenly across my face. As you guys saw earlier, it did make me look a bit yellow, so using the beauty blender will make the product stretch out even more better and make it less yellow. What just happened to me? English just like faded away.
Hello, it's me again. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I'd be lying if I say you weren't someone that I'm into. And don't be standing in front of your friends, you know I'm not into that. Don't need to hide, don't even try. You could be mine, oh, you could be mine.
Next up, I'll be going with the same concealer that I had used under my eyes, and I'll be using that shade to now highlight my face. And that shade is Fawn from LA Girl Cosmetics. So I'll be highlighting the bridge of my nose, my forehead, under my eyes, my chin, and above my Cupid's bow. And I'll just be using this, guys. If I tell you these brushes are so soft, I bet you a lot of people that I've used these brushes on would definitely confess. These brushes are super soft. I ordered these brushes on Rome. It's spelled ROWME, or the other way around. Anyways, I will leave a link down in the description box down below of the brushes that I ordered. Guys, they are super soft. So if you're looking for soft bristle brushes, this is definitely it. So I'm just spreading the product evenly across my face, under my eyes, of course. And yes, spreading bound, just like blend. I don't know what's happening to me. My vocals are just like, wow, disappointing me. So as you guys can see, I don't need to actually go in with a beauty blender when I use this particular brush. Like, it just blends it out evenly, super soft.
Let go, my baby, give me let go, I'm hungover. He be give me hungover. Let go, my baby, give me let go, I'm hungover. I know I'm designer, I know I'm fit. He say no, my love, oh, he belong to me, and I belong to him. Oh, baby.
So I'll then go in with my bronzing palette, and I'll be using the darkest shade, and I'll be giving myself a lighter contour. So I'll just be contouring my nose, giving a bit of definition, but not too much definition, just a bit of definition. Remember, it is more of a natural summer glow kind of look. Trust me, I don't know how people in Florida wear makeup. Because of Honey Child, I did not survive. So I'm just spreading that evenly across my face. Next up, I'll be going with my NK Perfection setting powder in the shade Banana. And I'll just be setting my under eye, obviously where I'd placed my concealer. And one thing I definitely know is I don't like baking Fondé setting powder on my face much. I like to press it into my skin because I've got seriously oily skin, and it's not cute when I start to get oily.
I'd be lying if I say you weren't someone that I'm into. And don't be standing in front of your friends, you know I'm not into that. Don't need to hide, don't even try. You could be mine, oh, you could be mine. Oh, you say you want to take control. Oh, you say you want to take control.
So I'll be going back in with my bronzing palette, and I'll be using 2 bronzing shades, and I'll be using them as eyeshadow to give me more of a sun-kissed look. And you guys can see I'll be using that top color and that bottom color, mix it together, and it did honestly give me the perfect neutral look that I was looking for. Like I said, Florida weather will make your makeup melt. Ugh. So next thing I'm going in with is my powder from MAC. This is a skin mineralizing powder, and this is in the shade Deep Warm, or Warm Deep, between the two. And I'll just be going over that setting powder that I put over my face and the rest of my face as well. So under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, under my chin, and now I'm setting my face with just a normal setting powder. Yes, so next thing we're going in with the Bare Minerals Lash Definition mascara, but I'm just gonna brush out my lashes just to make them give them more of a natural look. Ugh, what's happening to me? My speech is taken away. Then I'll just be defining my lashes, and I have individual false lash inserts in my eyes, and then I'll just be putting mascara on my bottom lashes to make my eyes boom, pop a little bit more. So next up, I'm going in with my NYX, and this is the matte lipstick, and this is in the shade crêpe, meaning pancake in French, something like that. It is a beautiful color. It totally reminds me of the Rihanna lipstick. And then from here, I'm just using a lighter, I don't even know what brand this is, but just any lipstick, and putting it in the middle. Next up, I'm going with my NYX again pigment, and I use that as a highlighter. Actually, funny enough, it gives you the perfect highlight. If you're looking for a perfect highlight, honey, this is what you need. My nose. So there we have it, guys. I'm done. I hope you guys definitely love the finished product. This is more of a natural look, so you guys don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, honey. Don't forget that subscribe button. Don't forget to tell your friends, to tell their friend, to tell their friend about me. Thank you guys. Till next time. Mwah.